Hey, what's going on today? What's the topic for today to make some money? Have you tried to go out there and get some of that dough? Well, guess what? I got another good one for you, and that's opening up an Amazon account. Now, I know a lot of people out there have had great ideas, or maybe you're in merchandising and you sell your clothing, or you sell some makeup, or you got any other kind of product that you sell. Maybe you have something that you want to sell and start making by yourself in your own house, but don't know how to sell it. I've seen people still going door to door trying to sell. Recently, I just bought one of those little phone things that kind of attach to the back of your phone so you could hold it with your hand. I don't know, like one of those pop-up phone things. I just bought one of those from a guy down the street, but I went online. It was much more cheaper, and you could do that too. Why go to door to door? You probably sell like one or two when you can sell 10 to many people at one time. Now, if you're looking to open an Amazon account, there's a couple of things that you're gonna need, right? So today we're gonna cover that. For opening an Amazon account, you will first think of a name, right? You need a name. A name is gonna be key. Now, you don't necessarily need a name right away to get started, and the Amazon account opening form has gotten very complicated over the last couple of years. But if you already have a name, or you have a DBA, or you have a store that is established and a commercial location that you have, that's perfect. You can use that name. But if you don't, you can always just use your name. You can use your given name. You can use that. You can use Mary Mary Ramos, Francisco James. You can use any one of those you can use to open your account, and that's going to be cool. Secondly, how will you enroll? There's a couple of things that the Amazon pushes on you to enroll, and that's the professional plan. That's the $30 a month plan. And if you try to enroll, they're gonna try to stick you to that. When I give my classes, I always tell people, don't go for the $30 a month, because you don't even know if you're gonna last that long. And most people get pretty pissed off because they're paying $30 a month. They don't know how to manage their account, and it takes them 6 months or 12 months for them to kind of learn what they're doing. And all this time they're paying $30 a month when it's not necessary. Those kind of things I cover in my Amazon class. And there is a free option that you could choose from. I would go totally for the free option if you're starting off, just so you get the feel how the things work in the dashboard. Next, get your application ready. It used to be so easy back maybe 10 years ago. You were able to just go to your buying account, select that you wanted to sell something, and sell from there right away. Now they're asking for much more information. You're gonna need your driver's license. If you have a passport, you're gonna need your passport. You're going to need your bank statements, a credit card statement, a credit card, and your bank account number and routing number. So you're gonna need that information. I know it's crazy, right? They're asking for all this stuff and you haven't even sold anything, and still they're gonna have to review it. So it takes a couple of days for them to review it. We used to do that in class, but now we don't, because it doesn't work. It takes so much time. So you have those documents ready, and when you're going ahead and enrolling. And lastly, you're ready to start selling. Once they approve this stuff, once they see that you're not an individual that's trying to sell phony or imitation products, then you should be able to enroll. It normally takes a little bit back and forth. They say you're going to hear from them in 2 days, but it might be sooner. You might have to call them and contact them and figure out what's going on with your application. So that's it. That's my hit list for the Amazon account enrolling. If you have any questions, just let me know. Shoot me a message or give me a call. My number's right there. I'm able to help you out, and let's start making some money.